Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on using PureVPN, a service designed to enhance your online privacy and security. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up PureVPN on your device and explore its key features to help you make the most of this service. To begin, you'll need to download and install the PureVPN application compatible with your operating system. I have included link in description to get started with PureVPN for a great price. Once the installation is complete, launch the PureVPN application. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you can sign up directly through the app or via the PureVPN website. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which provides access to all the essential features and settings. One of the primary functions of PureVPN is to allow you to connect to servers in different locations worldwide. To do this, click on the Locations tab within the app. You'll see a list of countries and cities where PureVPN has servers. Select your desired location by clicking on it, and then click the Connect button. The app will establish a secure connection to the chosen server, masking your real IP address and encrypting your internet traffic. PureVPN offers several notable features to enhance your browsing experience. One such feature is split tunneling, which allows you to route specific applications through the VPN, while others access the internet directly. This is particularly useful if you want to secure sensitive activities while maintaining regular access for less critical tasks. To enable split tunneling, navigate to the Settings menu within the app and select the Split Tunneling option. From there, you can choose which applications should use the VPN connection. Another important feature is the Internet Kill Switch. This function ensures that your internet connection is automatically terminated if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly, preventing any data leaks. To activate the Internet Kill Switch, go to the Settings menu and toggle the Internet Kill Switch option to the On position. PureVPN employs AES 256-bit encryption, a robust encryption standard that secures your data against potential threats. This level of encryption is widely recognized for its effectiveness in protecting sensitive information. To prevent DNS leaks, which can expose your browsing activities even when connected to a VPN, PureVPN includes DNS leak protection. This feature ensures that your DNS requests are routed through the VPN, maintaining your privacy. DNS leak protection is enabled by default, but you can verify its status in the Settings menu under the Security section. For users concerned about IPv6 leaks, PureVPN provides IPv6 leak protection. This feature disables IPv6 traffic while connected to the VPN, ensuring that your IPv6 address remains hidden. You can enable this option in the Settings menu under the Security tab. PureVPN supports multiple security protocols, including WireGuard, known for its speed and security. To select your preferred protocol, navigate to the Settings menu and choose the Protocol option. Here, you can select WireGuard or other available protocols based on your requirements. With over 6,500 servers in more than 78 countries, PureVPN offers a vast network to choose from. This extensive server network ensures that you can find a fast and reliable connection regardless of your location. PureVPN allows up to 10 simultaneous connections, enabling you to secure multiple devices with a single account. This is particularly beneficial for households or individuals with several devices. In addition to its core features, PureVPN offers a recommended server option. This feature suggests the best server for you based on factors like speed, latency, and distance. To use this feature, simply click on the Recommended tab in the Locations section, and the app will connect you to the optimal server. To further enhance your security, PureVPN includes a tracker blocker that prevents tracking scripts and ads from monitoring your online activities. This feature can be enabled in the Settings menu under the Privacy section. For users seeking additional tools, PureVPN offers bundles that include a password manager and dark web monitoring. These features provide comprehensive protection for your online presence. You can explore these options in the Add-ons section of the app or on the PureVPN website. In summary, PureVPN is a versatile service that offers a range of features designed to protect your online privacy and security. By following this tutorial, you should now be able to set up and navigate the PureVPN application, utilizing its various features to enhance your internet experience. Remember to regularly check for updates to ensure you have access to the latest features and security improvements. Here are the subscription plans of PureVPN. These are very budget-friendly and reliable. I would highly recommend you. Since PureVPN has a 31-day money-back guarantee, you can sign up and try it for free, since you can get a refund before the 31 days are over. Click the link in the description to get started right away.